Do you ever feel like life just happens to you? Like you're just going through the motions day after day without a clear direction? This is a common feeling. Many of us experience it. If this sounds like you are not alone. It's easy to live life on autopilot. We often follow paths set by others or by old habits. But what if you could change this? Imagine being the architect of your own life. This means you consciously choose what to build. You decide where you want to go. This architect mindset helps you shape your future. It uses small, focused actions. These actions bring big changes over time. Think about saving for a big goal. You don't save a huge amount all at once. You save a little bit each day or week. Over time, these small savings add up. Your life is the same. Small changes create a big impact. So how exactly can you start to think like an architect for your own life? So, what does it truly mean to have an architect mindset? It means seeing your life as a project you design and build yourself. This is not about being selfish. It's about taking charge of your own journey. You have the power to create the life you want. An architect plans carefully. They think about the big picture and small details. You do the same for your life. This means using strategic thinking to plan your steps. It involves systems thinking, seeing how things connect. And it requires a proactive approach, taking action instead of waiting. You take full ownership of your path. You align your daily choices with your deepest values. This helps you live a life that truly matters to you. Just like a parent plans for their child's future, you plan for your own. You do this with purpose. But how do you actually build this life? Piece by piece, day by day. You have a vision for your life. How do you make it real? The answer lies in intentional daily habit shifts. These are small, deliberate changes. It's not about making huge, overwhelming changes. It's about tiny, consistent steps. These steps become the building blocks of your desired future. Think of habits as tiny bricks. Each day you lay a few bricks. These bricks are intentional, meaning you choose them on purpose. They are daily, so you repeat them often. And they are shifts, meaning they move you towards your goals. These small actions stop you from drifting. They give you direction. Over time, these small changes add up. They create a strong foundation for your life. For example, if you want to read more, decide to read just one page before bed every night. This is a small, intentional habit shift. Soon, you might read a chapter. Why are habits so powerful that even small ones can change our lives so much? Have you ever driven home and not remembered part of the journey? That's your brain on habits. Much of what you do each day is automatic. This is not a sign of being distracted. It's how your brain saves energy. Habits are incredibly efficient. They help you get things done without thinking too much. Scientists say between 43% and 65% of our daily actions are habits. When you do something repeatedly, your brain creates a special pathway. This pathway lets you do tasks without conscious effort. It uses less mental energy. This frees your brain for new challenges. Think about tying your shoes or brewing coffee. You don't think about each step. Your brain handles it automatically. This leaves your mind free to plan your day or think about work. But if habits are so automatic, can we really change them or create new ones? The amazing news is your brain is not fixed. It can change and adapt. This ability is called neuroplasticity. This means you are not stuck with old habits. You can always learn new ways of thinking and acting. Your brain is ready to build new connections. Every time you repeat an action, you strengthen a neural pathway. Think of it like walking a path in a field. The more you walk it, the clearer it becomes. New habits make new, stronger paths. This process moves behaviors from hard effort to easy, automatic action. Researchers like B.J. Fogg have shown how small, consistent steps can lead to big brain changes. For example, learning a new language. At first, it's hard. With practice, words and grammar become easier. Your brain is literally rewiring itself to understand the new language. How can we make it easier for our brain to form these new positive habits? Want to make good habits easy and bad habits hard? Firm when being serious? Light when joking? Concerned when worried? Don't make good habits easy and bad habits hard. Look around you. Your environment plays a huge role in what you do. You don't need endless willpower. You can design your world to support your goals. This makes success much more likely. An architect designs spaces that work well. You can design your personal space too. Make your desired habits the easiest choice. For example, if you want to exercise, lay out your gym clothes the night before. If you want to read, put a book by your bed. To avoid distractions, put your phone in another room. By adding or removing small things, you change your behavior. This reduces how much willpower you need. It makes healthy choices almost automatic. Imagine you want to drink more water. Keep a full water bottle on your desk. You will drink more without even thinking about it. Beyond changing your space, how can you smoothly add new habits into your busy day? You already have many routines in your day. What if you could use them to build new habits easily? This is where habit stacking comes in. You don't need to find extra time in your day. You just connect new actions to things you already do. This makes habit formation simple. Habit stacking uses a simple formula. After current habit, I will new habit. You link a new behavior to an established one. For example, after I brush my teeth, I will meditate for 1 minute. Or, after I pour my morning coffee, I will write down 3 things I am grateful for. This method helps your brain connect the new habit to a strong cue. It feels natural. It becomes part of your day without much effort. Many parents teach their children to clean up toys after playing. This links cleaning to an existing activity. It makes tidying a natural next step. What kind of amazing changes can you expect when you start building your life this way? Imagine waking up each day feeling more in control, more focused, and more fulfilled. This is the reward of an architected life. It's not just about reaching goals. It's about becoming the person you want to be. You will feel a deep sense of purpose. When you design your life with intention, you see many benefits. You experience continuous growth and always improve. Your actions align with your deepest values. You feel more in charge of your path, gaining a stronger sense of control. You also enjoy better mental health and more energy, improving your overall well-being. You are building a legacy, not just living day to day. You contribute to the world in a way that truly matters to you. Think of a career professional who intentionally dedicates time to mentorship. They not only help others, but also find deeper meaning in their own work. Building a great life sounds wonderful, but are there any hidden challenges or things we should watch out for? Even the best architects face challenges. Designing your life is no different. It's important to know what to watch out for. You might hit bumps in the road. This is normal. Understanding potential problems helps you prepare for them. Some common challenges include perfectionism, wanting everything to be perfect, which can stop you from starting. Overplanning, where too much planning prevents action. Neglecting emotional needs, focusing only on tasks and ignoring feelings. And social disconnect, where being too focused on yourself can isolate you. Also, society often encourages us to be unintentional. Ads tell us what to want. Finding balance between your plans and healthy spontaneity is key. For example, a parent trying to stick to a strict routine might miss out on spontaneous, joyful moments with their children. So, how do you keep going and make this a lasting journey, not just a short project? You now hold the blueprint for an architect mindset. You understand how intentional habits can shape your world. Remember, building a life is not a one-time event. It's a continuous journey. You're always learning, always adapting. The architect mindset is about taking small, consistent steps. These steps add up to big changes. You are not just living. You are actively creating a life aligned with your deepest purpose. This journey brings growth, fulfillment, and a sense of mastery. Start small. Be patient with yourself. Celebrate your progress. Each intentional choice you make builds the future you desire. You have the power to design a life that truly reflects you. Think of a gardener who doesn't just plant a seed and walk away. They water it, prune it, and care for it over time. Your life design is similar. What is one small habit you can start building today to become the architect of your own life?